public. Sorry, what is list first? List is also a collection of data. What is list? Which is also a collection of data, can be defined as list data type ls equal to new list of data type. New list of data type. Set list allow duplicates? Yes, it allows duplicates. It allows duplicates. Because it is allowed duplicates, it is ordered. It is ordered. So it is allowed duplicate. However you are entering values, it is written in the same index. It will not change the index, so you can get always using index. How to add elements? To add elements or values to list is by using the add method. How to do that? ls dot add of value. ls dot add of value. Same thing, the way you are doing here, the same thing. Then the only difference you will get, as I said before, to get values, you have different methods. First one is ls dot get of index. ls of get of index. And second one is ls of, sorry, not dot, ls of index, which will return, because it is an order. However you are entering values, it will return the same order, so you know the index. So there is no issue with the index. And the method sizes follows. It contains a method called size method. Why we need size method? It will check the number of elements. And we have a method called clear, which will remove all the data. And we have a method called remove of index. It will remove the particular element in that index. Particular element in that index. Add of list of data type. What happens is, it copies one list to another list. It copies list 1 to list 2, all information. Instead of one value, it copies entire list. Add means one value. Add all means all values. Where you will get multiple values from another list or another collection. You can use them. Fine? Is this fine? Add? You understand, right? Add means we are adding only one value. Here I am adding collection of values, all values. It actually goes same, you know. Everything works in the same way. Instead of list, it is, instead of set, it is list check.
Only single value get
Sorry? Only one. Index you are passing only one index, right? You can't pass all indexes.
10 numbers.
You need to use for loop. For loops you have, but we are not talking for loops now. So once we have for loop, you can iterate one by one. You have even 1000 you have, it will come. So now we have a method called system.debug using get method. st.get of 0. So it will return which value? Which value it will return? Shiva. Why Shiva? Index 0. So let's say, what is the size of the list now? First one. First time, 3. Here not 4. It counts to total, right? Because why it is 7? It allows, it accepts duplicates. It accepts duplicates. And then set size. I mean set size in the sense list size. 7 only, right? Here if you have a 7, then it means that the size is 7 always. Here you have 3, here you have 4. Total size is 7. Size is 7. Contains present. Contains method do we have? Yes, we have. Now we will see what extra we are saying. Sorry, here we are missing one bracket. Yes, fine. Instead of this one, control Z.
మనం ఏ ఆర్డర్ ఇస్తే అదే ఆర్డర్ ఉంటాయి.
ఇంక మారదు. List check. List check. Execute. Only set is a different list. However you are entering, it will come same way. Shiva Deepak, Vasvi Deepak, Shiva present. This is what we entered. And 7 total. And true, Shiva. One we using get method, another one we are using the only of square brackets of 0 index. You can see square brackets of 0. Right. What other thing I am talking about? This one. List of string s equal to new list of string. New list of string. New list of string. Now I am saying s dot add all of what is my list? First list name. What is my first list name? First list name st. Whatever I have in st, let's add everything to s. System.people new list data. This. In this, what I will add, more than this, I also add s.add cool. So my final element is cool. My final element is cool. Control D, execute. Control D, execute. Now whatever I have in st, it need to come in s plus cool is the value. Everything came except cool. Last line you can see, right? Whatever we have in here, everything came till present. And then we have added a new element called cool. So let's say, now we can say list methods in Apex. Whenever you get a doubt, we have a document available called list classes. List classes in Apex developer code. You can check it out the methods from the developer document. Whatever the new methods they update, everything they will provide here. Everything they will provide here. So let's say I need to replace the first element Shiva with a cool Shiva. I need to replace first element Shiva with a cool Shiva. Instead of add, we can use set of 0, Shiva. So it replace Shiva with cool Shiva at a index 1. Index 0. I mean first value. Debug. Cool Shiva. So you can replace the values based on index using which method? Set method. Using set method.
Set లో ఈ ఆప్షన్
No? There is no index setter.
డైరెక్ట్ నేమ్ తో చేయొచ్చు.